Alright, today I'm going to show you how to talk as a Discord bot. It's very straightforward, but just keep in mind that this is against Discord's terms of service. First off, you need to go to the first link in the description and you will see LiveBot v1.1.2 alpha release, or whatever version it is. Basically, you just want to scroll down and select your specific platform. So in this case, you're probably on Windows, so click LiveBot Win32, the zip file, and download it. I've already done it, so I'm going to cancel it. Then go into your downloads, then go to downloads, double click on the zip file to open it up, drag this folder into your downloads folder, it'll just copy it, and it'll extract the zip file. Now, while that's doing that, let's go to the second link in the description and you will see Discord Developer Portal. You need to create a new application and you are going to create the name of the bot. I have a lot. I'm going to call it Talking Bot Yo. Click Create. And when you do that, you have a whole bunch of things you can do. The main thing we want to do is we want to go to Bot, then we want to click Add Bot, then we need to do Yes, Do It, and we will get our bot username, then we can select an icon for it, and we have this token here. We're just going to scroll down and you will see Privileged Gateway Intents. You need to enable both of these options and click Save Changes. Then once you select these gateway intents, you need to click OAuth 2, and this is where we get to generate the URL for our bot. So the main thing you want to do is you want to get the scopes, and the scopes for our specific bot is going to be bot, obviously. Then we have bot permissions, and this is where you get to configure the permissions of your bot. So in this case, I'm going to give it administrator just to see what it does. But if you're worried about the security of your server, then select more restricted permissions. This is going to be all up to you. Generally speaking, if you aren't on a massive server and doing this, then you could probably just use administrator. But if you are worried about the security of your server, like I said, then select each one of these permissions based on your use scenario. Anyways, once you do that, click copy. Then you want to paste this into your browser. And when you do that, it's going to invite your bot. I'm going to invite it to Bots Be Talkin' server. Click continue, click authorize, click I am human, and boom, it will be added to your server. As you can see, Talking Bot Yo just slid into the server. Then you need to go back to your Discord Developer Portal. You need to click on Bot. Then you need to click on Copy. This is going to copy your bot's token so you can log into your bot. Then once you do that, go back to your downloads. So make sure you're in the downloads folder and click on the folder, not the zip file, the folder of LiveBot. Then you just need to double click on livebot.exe. And when you do that, it's going to say Windows protected your PC. Don't worry about it. Click more info and click run anyways. Then after that, you can just kind of pop out Discord and close all the other stuff. So at least you can see that I'm using the bot. And when you open up the LiveBot application, you will see input your token. This is where you're going to paste in your token. Then you can click one-time login or login and save as default if you want to continually log into this bot. I'm going to do one-time login. And when you log in, you will notice that the bot is now online. And on the left, I get my bot client, and on the right, I have the normal Discord client. So the bot client on the left, as you can see, I have the servers that it's in. It's just in Bots Be Talking. I'm going to click on it, and you will notice that I am able to send messages. I'm going to say, Howdy Gamers, and you'll notice that the bot says Howdy Gamers on the Discord web browser. And I can message back whatever I want, and you will notice that it also goes to the LiveBot app. Now you can also do a little bit more, like you can right-click a user, message them, and you can send a beautiful message to them. Hi cutie pie, please give nitro. Press enter and you'll notice that the bot has DM'd your specific account. And it's that simple. That's how you talk as a bot. Now, going into the LiveBot app, there is a little bit of customization you can do to make it a little more advanced. First off, if you go to the bottom left, you can expand your bot and you have presence and you can create an activity presence. So in this case, you can be online, invisible, do not disturb, or idle. And you can have streaming, playing, listening, watching. In this case, I'm going to do playing with your heart and then a heart sign and click update. And as you notice, nothing really happens, but if I go back to my web browser and go to Bots Be Talking, it'll say Talking Bot Yo playing with your heart. It's just that simple. You won't get a whole bunch of customization like most rich presence applications. It's just going to be very basic stuff. Although keep in mind, you can have streaming and you can have like a Twitch stream and all this other stuff, listening, name a music show, whatever, all this fancy stuff. In my opinion, it's quite restrictive versus, normal RPC applications that allow you to have very fancy custom statuses. Next up, you have user, and this, once again, you can change your username. You can switch your token, which really doesn't matter, and you can generate an invite. Don't worry about that stuff. Then you have scripts and servers, which just doesn't work. Now, the nice thing about LiveBot is the fact that you can't really use this maliciously in terms of like blowing up a server and nuking it. And in reality, most people who have, their own custom bot, they're not going to use LiveBot or some other bot application or client to nuke your server. They're just going to do it all through code because it's way faster and way easier. Anyways, as you can see, I can't really select any of the server stuff. It's just talking, which I think is really good. And it makes it a little more fun. Instead of having, ulterior motives, it's just talking to people and having a little bit of giggles and laughs. Anyways, that's LiveBot. It's not as featureful as the other bot program I showed, but at least it works. And at least it's not, a gateway tool into destroying someone's server, which I think is very good. Anyways, to uninstall, quote unquote, this bad boy, all you need to do is just go to your downloads, delete both of the folders and the files, and it's going to recycle. Then all you need to do is just go back to your developer portal. So that's the second link in the description. Click on your Talking Bot Yo or whatever you name it, go to delete app, and then just delete it, and it will delete the bot, and you won't have to worry about it anymore. So that's it, cutie pie. I'm going to go take a big nappy poo because I'm tired. I love you.